In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage enumeration property options in HubSpot. That includes how to add new dropdown choices, edit existing ones, reorder them, and safely delete options without breaking your data. If you work with contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or custom objects, this is an essential skill for keeping your CRM clean and organized. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the important details about internal values. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot training videos. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the settings icon. That's the small gear symbol. Once you're inside settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Objects. Here, you'll choose the object where your property lives. This could be contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or even a custom object if your account has those set up. After selecting the correct object, click on Properties. This will open the full list of properties associated with that object. Next, you need to find the specific property you want to edit. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly type in the property name. If you're not sure of the exact name, you can also filter by field type. Since we're working with enumeration properties, look for field types like dropdown select, multiple checkboxes, or radio select. Once you locate the property, click on its name to open the editor. When the property settings open, scroll down until you see the section labeled Field Type Options. This is the key area where all enumeration choices are managed. Everything related to the selectable options for that property will be controlled here. Now let's go over what you can actually do in this section. First, adding a new option. Click on Add Option. You'll be asked to enter two important values, the label and the internal value. The label is what users will see inside HubSpot, for example, on a contact record or in a form. The internal value is what HubSpot uses behind the scenes in workflows, integrations, and the API. Be very careful when editing internal values because changing them can affect automations or external systems. Once you've filled in both fields, click Save. Second, editing an existing option. Simply hover over the option you want to change and click Edit. You can update the label and, if necessary, the internal value. Again, be cautious with internal values if the property is already being used in workflows or reports. After making your changes, click Save to apply them. Third, reordering options. If you want certain choices to appear at the top of the dropdown, you can drag and drop the options into a new order. This is especially useful for improving data entry consistency by placing the most common selections first. Fourth, deleting an option. Hover over the option and click Delete. If that option is already being used in existing records, HubSpot will prompt you to choose a replacement value. This ensures you don't lose data. Select the appropriate replacement, confirm the action, and HubSpot will update the records accordingly. Once you're done making changes, whether you've added, edited, reordered, or deleted options, make sure everything looks correct and click Save if prompted. Your updates will apply immediately across the object. And that's it. You now know how to manage enumeration property options in HubSpot, including adding new choices, modifying existing ones, organizing them, and safely handling deletions. Keeping your property options clean and structured is critical for accurate reporting, better automation, and overall HubSpot health. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.